Welcome students. Let's discuss about few questions from user-defined methods that are asked most probably in section A of the question paper. Now, what is a program? A set of instructions given to the computer to perform some actions, also called as executable instructions. Now, this set of instructions are also known as executable instructions. Now, how are executable instructions specified in Java programs? That means, where are these written or from where we can execute them? They are written in the methods or functions. In programs, what are methods also known as? What are the other names we can give to methods? Functions, procedures, subprograms, subroutines. The three reasons why we use methods: to cope up with complex problems, to hide low-level details, and to reuse portions of code. Only this you have to write, not to go into details. Now, what is function definition? Write the syntax. The complete function, what we write from the first line till the end of the curly bracket, is known as function definition. We start with access specifier, modifier, return type, method name, parameter list. Start with the curly bracket. Write what you want to write in the body of the method and close. So from here till here, it is known as function definition. And access specifiers can be public, protected, private. Modifiers, we don't use modifier, but you know only the one word final, but we have native, volatile. A final method means that you cannot change this method. You cannot change the sentences in this method if you have declared it as final. Return type, it is going to return the type of value that the return statement of the method will return. It can be any valid Java data type. If no value is to be returned, we declare the method as void. Now, method name can be any valid name given by the user. Now, two rules written here. It can begin with lowercase. It should be meaningful. There are more rules. You need to learn 2, 3 for the answer. Now, what is a parameter list? It is a comma-separated list of variables of a method referred to as its argument or parameters. Now, where are mathematical functions residing? Mathematical functions are present in the math class, and this math class is present in java.lang package, and by default java.lang package is always present. It is open. Methods live in classes. Comment. That means method live in classes. This is true. In order to exist, methods has to exist in a class. In order to exist, we can just, this is method has to, this line is written for this double, there's a mistake here, just one method. A class can have many methods. That means if I am writing one method, to run it, I have to write it in a class. Otherwise, our program will not run. This is the meaning of this. Methods live in classes. Now, another very important word, prototype. What is method prototype? It is the first line of the function definition that tells about where you write access specifier, return type, method name, parameters. For example, this is the method definition. So we are not including here the body, only the first line. If you go up when we were writing method definition, see, this is complete from here to here method definition. But if I want to talk about method prototype, this first line till parameter list is the method definition. For prototype, we will not include this body. So the example taken here is public int max int a comma int b. Then another very important term is, what is function signature? It refers to the number and types of arguments. It is the part of the function prototype. Now see, if this example, this is function prototype. So these parameters taken here is known as signature. In the above example, int a, int b are the signature of the method max. So these are the 10 questions which are important for you to learn them and understand. Thank you.